inspection, Night Star Solar Light. So, meron ka na yung visa pero work ka sa Manila dapat. Bakit you work here? So, siya, walang, you are a doctor, what's your name? Oh, Chai Chizi. I am Immigration Officer, Intelligence Officer for Melody Gonzalez. I'm from the Bureau of Immigration. Okay. A mission order has been issued by the Commissioner of Immigration. Oh, this one is from Immigration Commissioner. For me to inspect, to check your documents here. This one, oh, hence this one. Okay. And then, I check your passport. Your passport says that you are a tourist and you have no work visa. No, you don't have. Tanungin mo siya.